Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro for a senior person. And to do this, when we open our settings, sadly there is no simple mode on this device. So we'll need to change all of the settings manually. And to do that, we'll need to scroll down inside the settings, go for advanced settings, enter accessibility function. And right here, when you scroll down, we'll be able to adjust text and display size, so you can change the font size itself. In this case, I have it on huge, so as you can see, it's not as big as it can get on other devices. We can enable bold text, which makes the font a bit more thicker. We can also remove animations, and that is basically all of the settings I would recommend to change here. Then we can go for magnification, and if you decide to enable it, you'll get this shortcut. When you click on it, you'll be able to magnify anywhere on your screen, and to leave it, click on that icon again. Now, other things. Actually, I'm not sure if this phone does have any other features that might help, but yeah, I can't see anything, so I wouldn't even recommend this phone for any senior person, but that is all the settings we can change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.